good day, YouTube land. Well, it looks like our job today will be another C&D, construction and demolition. Looks like it's concrete, wood, potting soil, some 2x4s, some drywall, and some crates and stuff. So, all right, well, we got about a 30-minute ride. Once we arrive, I will show you what we got. I'll do a little walk down of the project today. All right, talk to y'all shortly. Alrighty, y'all, we have arrived. We got backed up, doors open. So here's what we got for our construction and demolition. We have some sheetrock that's going, some pieces of, I don't even know what they're called, but they're little pieces of plastic for mudding over. There's some wood in here, and we got some Scott's Bonus S weed killer, some potting soil, the lawnmower's going, them long pieces of what's it called? Toe board, shoe molding. Them long pieces of shoe molding. We are not taking the concrete. We are taking every bit of the wood here, 2x4s, and we're taking the sonotubes, these half pallet crates, and whatever they are, pallets, crates. We're taking this chair, the spreader, and the wood back here. Alrighty, I will show you when I get done. It's about 2:20 my time, and it should take us about an hour. Just say by 3:30 we should be done. I will let you know here shortly. We got, say, 75% of it. We now got this little bit of stuff here, and then we got some stuff in the back. We got this, got some pavers, some pieces of concrete, and some wood debris. This wood debris here, only to this right here, not what's in there. And this right here. All right. We'll show you here shortly what we got. Alrighty, folks, you see it, nice and full, about a little more than 3/4 of a load, very heavy. We got a bunch of pavers, a bunch of rocks right here. Got that sheetrock up there, and as you can see, cleaned out here, cleaned the lawnmower and stuff, cleaned out the stuff there. All right, you will go around back. We got all the pavers that were here. And all the stuff that was here. And all the stuff that's here. Alrighty, folks. If you enjoy C&D removal, construction, and demolition, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Any questions, landfill questions, dump questions. I'm here to help you. All right, this is Loaded Down Junk Removal out of Jacksonville, Florida. We are out.